My name is Anna Sabucco. My title is Jack of all trades. Actually, my husband and I, we started our business in 1976 as a team, a husband and wife team. Over the years, it's always been that it was ours, and that's the biggest goal with independent aftermarket. It's ours. We're independent. That's why it's such an encouraging area for young ladies, especially, to go into this area because they're their own boss. This trade is a challenge, and as my husband and I would always say, every day brings a safari case, and every day brings a challenge. Can we fix it? Can we please the customer? And what's our end goal? I'm very pleased with what's happened to our business. I'm very pleased in seeing that there are changes coming about in the industry. So as far as am I pleased? Yeah, I'd like to see more changes, though within the image of the trade, yes, definitely. But I am pleased. The trade has always been, we're grease monkeys. And definitely, we're not grease monkeys anymore. As you can see in the background, we have an immaculate shop. I push and I promote females entering the trade, especially for young girls. There are so many doors within the automotive trade, whether you're service advisor, sales rep, or as myself, partner to an independent shop owner. It's well worth talking to your teacher's counselor or your school counselor and looking at options. What I have learned in the trade is every course that was available to my husband and I would join, and so I would be the only female in the room taking the automotive course, but I enjoyed it. Even at my age, I've gone back to online courses in schooling, so you learn as you go in life. My philosophy is men and women are equal. So I'm not pushing that females should go into the trade. I'm just saying to young ladies that this is an opportunity for them to look at. And if they like hands-on experience, they should seriously take a co-op position and take the challenge. Don't be afraid. Don't let the noises in the shop bother you. Don't let the boys bother you. You're all equal, and many doors will be open within the automotive repair business. I love the challenge. Each day is different, so it's not boring, and it's just fun. It's satisfying when there's a problem with the car and you fix it and the customer comes in and says, wow.